Hey Chuck, it's Mac from Mac and Gatos. We know you listen. Thanks so much for listening. We really appreciate it. I wanted to show you, this is in the backyard of my house. These are two Trane units that are at least 20 years old, and they still run fine. Out of the 4 homes I've owned, 3 of them have had Trane units, and I've always been satisfied. So, you know it's hard to stop a Trane, and it's hard to stop a Mac and Gatos endorsement. So if we can help you in any way, just let me know. Mac@ktar.com, that's MAC@ktar.com, or contact Kendall at 602-200-2600, and if we can be of help in any way, let us know, because as you know, it's hard to stop a Trane. It's also hard to stop a satisfied Trane customer, especially with an endorsement. Hope to hear from you soon.